So I have one question for you. Are you ready to get shipped? Lapped? Alright, I thought that was funny. I don't know if you guys laughed at it. But anyways, you clicked on this thumbnail, so that means you want to know how to make this awesome faux shiplap wall. So keep on watching. Ashleigh here, and if you are new, hey girl, hey, make sure you click on that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll always be up to date with my latest tutorials. In this video today, I'm going to show you guys how to make this faux shiplap wall. Literally, it looks so good. You would never even know it, especially from far away and especially on pictures. And when you put your decor on there, like, So I've always wanted to do like this shiplap wall look. When we were in our home in Charleston, I wanted to do it in our kitchen and in the living room, and I wanted to actually use the plywood that everyone used and got it cut down and put it on their wall that way, but we never got around to doing it. So now that we are in this apartment, I was like, oh my gosh, I still want it. So I decided to try out using washi tape. Yes, washi tape, and it works so good. I want to put up some Pinterest inspired pictures that I had so you guys can kind of see where I got like the whole like inspo look with these shiplap walls. So I'm super excited to show you guys this because literally it's so inexpensive and you can do it to several different walls in your house and it will look so good. So with that being said, let's get into this DIY. Okay, so I'm going to be creating that faux shiplap look onto this wall here that is a part of the kitchen. Sorry for this angle, very bad. This light is in the way, hey. So the first thing you want to do is just take alcohol and kind of just go over your wall really quickly with that. Okay, so now we're going to start to mark off our wall. So you're going to mark off in 6-inch increments, and you're going to do that from the top of your wall all the way down to the bottom. Alright, so now comes the fun part. We're going to be using this lovely tape here that I purchased off of Amazon. I thought it was washi tape. I don't know. I guess it's washi tape. I don't know. It says it's like whiteboard grid tape. But anyways, it popped up under washi tape. So it's 3 millimeters in width. And it's $7.99 for 12 pieces. So I'll have that link down below. But now what you're going to do, again, I'm using my laser leveler to make sure my lines are as straight as possible. And I'm just wiping it down again with alcohol. And then I'm going to start to add my tape. You know what? Dance a little. Have fun, because this is literally going to take you some time. But you can get it done in a day. So yeah, that's all you're basically going to be doing is just adding this tape to where you marked your 6 inches on your wall, and you're just going to continue to do this from the top to the bottom. Okay, so if you have an outlet on your wall, all you have to do is run the tape over it because you're going to be able to cut that off using a scissors or a razor blade. All right, so now this is what the bottom half of the wall looks like. Don't worry about the tape on the side. I'm going to show you what you're going to do with those. But now I'm going to start to do that same thing, working my way from that middle line that I started with all the way up to the top. All right, so now you're going to take your glue gun and you're going to make the tiniest of the tiniest like little glue line as possible where you can't even really see it. And this is just going to make sure that your tape stays on there and does not pop off. Now you're going to take your blade or whatever you want to use. I'm using my blade, and you're just going to cut off any of the excess pieces of tape. Literally, this is going to stick on your wall really well. This has been up for about maybe a month and a half now, and I have not had any problems. None of the tape has come off or anything like that, and I just wanted to make sure of that before I made this video, but it does stick really well, especially if you make sure that you clean your wall. Now, to finish this video off, I'm just gonna show you guys how I decorated this space as well. That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, if you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure you comment down below to let me know what you think, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.